Alrighty, coming up on 6:06 on this Monday morning. Good idea to go ahead and carry the umbrella all week long, especially potentially for some of those parades, because we will be seeing some rain chances.
Yes, hence the weather impact alert that we will have starting tonight into tomorrow morning. So go ahead and plan on a messy morning commute tomorrow. Even some pockets of heavy rainfall, something we haven't seen in quite some time. So when is this alert going to be for? 10 p.m. tonight all the way until 10 a.m. tomorrow. I know that's a 12-hour window right there, but it's going to be a cluster of some steady and heavy rainfall that lingers through much of the overnight and morning hours tomorrow. So what you need to do, exercise caution on the roads. Don't utilize that cruise control on the morning commute tomorrow. That can increase the risk of hydroplaning. And just plan on a couple extra minutes for that morning commute tomorrow, because many of you already a bit sluggish, trying to get back into that regular routine after the Thanksgiving holiday. So it is going to be a forecast that we haven't seen necessarily in a while, but not forecasting severe weather. And as of right now, there doesn't look to be any flooding risk either. So 48 degrees and mostly cloudy down in Warner Robins as we start this first day of December, the last calendar month of the year for 2025. A little bit cooler up to the northwest as compared to the upper 40s and near 50-degree mark that you do see down in our south and southeastern counties. And that is also shown on your 24-hour temperature change graphic. Maybe around the same temperature or a little bit cooler in our northwestern counties, but a bit warmer, 2, 3, maybe even 5 or 6 degrees warmer in areas like Eastman and down to Soperton and Vidalia. Satellite and radar picture shows a mostly cloudy atmosphere. This is a good combination of some higher level cloud cover and some surface level cloud cover. The satellite isn't picking up too well thus far, but we can see the temperature difference because of this frontal boundary that moved through yesterday. So the cooler air is starting to move in areas farther to the northwest that hasn't quite made its way down to areas of southeast central Georgia throughout today. But that frontal boundary will have implications over the course of the next 24 hours as a Gulf low will establish itself along that line. But before we talk about the rain chances, it will be a cloudy and mostly dry day. In another afternoon that you're going to want to keep the coat on, high temperature of 57 degrees, nearly 8 degrees below average for this time of year. So here's a look at future view. Like I said, mostly cloudy, a bit of a breeze out of the east-northeast throughout today. Then a couple of light showers get going just past dinner time. Rain becomes more widespread around 10 p.m. as many of you are already settling down and kind of wrapping up your Monday evening. But then as we wake up tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning during our morning show, 5 a.m., widespread pockets of steady and heavy rainfall indicated by those yellow and orange colors. And we will continue to keep the rain in the forecast for around 7 to 8 a.m. that morning commute time. And then as we transition into lunchtime, rain's out of the picture and we'll see some steady clearing in the cloud cover before we go into a dry interior Tuesday and a mostly dry Wednesday that will also be on tap. So in terms of how much rain are we expecting, anywhere from about the 1 to 2 inch range and some isolated pockets where you could get up close to maybe even 3 inches of rain. So finally something to at least improve the drought conditions that have been long standing for the last couple of months. But each and every day going to be below average on your 7-day forecast, and we'll welcome back some more rain chances Friday into Saturday before trying to clear out into Sunday.